Hello everyone, welcome back to Sastra Vibes. So this is an important update regarding your first year sliding. So today I will explain you regarding the branch sliding, what happens after your second semester exam results and all those things in our today's video. This is a very important decision, so listen carefully. After the second semester results are released, an official notification will be published in Sastra website. So this notification will consist of all the details regarding the branch sliding and all. So make sure you check the university portal regularly for all the updates once after your second semester exam results are published. I know many of you all know what is branch sliding and all, but a brief discussion regarding those branch sliding. Branch sliding is an opportunity given to students to change their current branch. So now you are studying in one branch, so you can go for another branch. So you can apply for any of the 25 branches offered in Sastra University. Across all 25 branches, you can slide to any of the branch. But remember, this option is available only once after your second semester results are published, as already we discussed before. In the sliding process, you need to select 3 branches as your preferences. The allotment will be based on your combined first and second semester scores, that is CGPA, and based on the seat availability. As the order of your preferences is very important, once you submit your choices, you cannot change them later. So this is very important thing. You want to choose the preference order wisely so that you can perform the next 6 semesters well. So think carefully before you are selecting. So there are some rules and regulations. Let us see them. Once you slide it to a new branch, you cannot go back to the original one. This is one thing we already discussed. The other one is the branch allotted after the sliding process is your final branch for the remainder of your degree program. Already I have discussed these 2 points before itself. The main factor is definitely and of course the CGPA. If you are having greater than or equal to 8 CGPA, you have better chances to slide, and based on the seat availability also it will be depending. So better CGPA is equal to better priority and better branch sliding. So final advice for all of you guys. Before choosing your branch, think carefully. First, choose based on your interest, not just based on the trends. Second, consider the future scope. Third, understand the difficulty level of the branch. And finally, talk to the seniors. Make the smart decisions because it will shape your entire engineering journey. Finally, I wish you all the best for your second semester examination. Do your best and aim for the high CGPA. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Sastra Vibes. Thank you for watching.